All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and flat iron my hair. If you guys don't know what's going on, definitely check out my previous video. So basically, I'm like going to cut my hair into a bob. I have been relaxed my whole life, and I'm really getting sick and tired of the damage and the state of my hair, the chemical damage of my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it into a bob, and then I'm going to actually start transitioning. It was a really hard decision to make because I like straight silky hair and I didn't want the big curly bushy hair look, and I felt like it was too late for me to go natural. Like I'm too old to do it, it's too late. It's gonna take me like 8 years to get to the length that I want, but at this point I don't care because my hair is so bad. I need to go ahead and get rid of it so I can start over and at least wear it into a style, because I want to start wearing my real hair out more, wear it into a style, at least for the summertime, and then start wearing wigs so I can start growing my hair out. And then I'm gonna cut it little by little until it's all natural. So I'm going natural just for the length because I want my hair to grow to a certain length, not like to be a curly girl or anything. It's just not my thing. I love the curls on girls. I love natural curls. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. But it's just not my thing. I never liked curly hair. I like straight hair. So I'm going to do this natural thing and try not to heat damage my natural hair because I like silk presses and stuff. So I'm pretty much gonna just be wearing wigs, and I'll wear my natural hair sometimes in between just to kind of get it to grow. And I really want it to get to like this blowout kinky texture, and just train it into like a kinky texture instead of wearing like twist outs and you know, natural styles. I'm not really like a natural like girl. Like I'm not going to embrace, I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna embrace it, but I'm gonna embrace it in a different way. So it's not gonna be like curls and twist outs and braid outs and mohawks and stuff that you see natural girls. I'm gonna wear my wigs, but I just want the length that natural hair, the length and health that natural hair can bring. So that's kind of everything in a nutshell about me. So I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron this. I did get a relaxer in May, so that was my last time relaxing this, relax my hair. But my hair is in a really bad state. This is air dried. I washed it last night and it's really, really bad. So definitely watch my previous video so you can know the entire full story from when I was natural to a little girl to now, and what happened to my hair, and how I have two different textures in my hair right now. Some over processed, some under processed. It's just a horror story. So we're just gonna jump into this. I'll go ahead and flat iron it using my steam flat iron I got from Amazon. It's on 450. I'll probably bring it down, but it's on the steam mode. So it's gonna use this water in here to turn into steam and help me press my hair. I don't have that much new growth from May yet, but I have been using rice water and a rice water rinse to help promote growth and health. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'll go ahead and flat iron it, and then we're gonna start cutting. So as I'm flat ironing, I wanted to kind of talk about how I've been watching girls' videos on YouTube talking about how they transition from relaxed to natural, and a lot of them had a trend going, well, said the same thing about how, you know, growing up, their parents or their mother would be so against natural hair, like, oh, it's gonna make you ugly and no boys are gonna like you and all that stuff. That is like mental abuse, like control, like basically saying that natural hair is ugly, and that was like a big problem. Like a lot of girls had, thinking that their natural hair was ugly. Like I've never got that from my mom or my parents. They never was against it. a relaxer was just something that I wanted to do, and I thought I was old enough to take care of it, and I thought I knew what I was doing, but I really didn't. So that's really what the downfall was. I believe you can have healthy, relaxed hair, but you have to take care of it. It's so much more delicate, and you have to take such good care of it. Not saying that you don't have to take care of natural hair, but relaxer is a whole different ball game, and you can definitely have unhealthy hair quicker than unhealthy natural hair. You can have unhealthy relaxed hair quicker than you'll have unhealthy natural hair. So that was one thing that kind of was very saddening to me, that the parents were so against natural hair and put it in their girl's head that natural hair was ugly. And I'm blessed to not have had to go through that. And you know, my mom, I never mentioned natural hair, but I bet if I did say I wanted natural hair, she would have been totally fine with it. So that's one thing. And then another thing, as a reason why my first transition didn't work out, you guys have to watch my other video, my first video. It didn't work out because I really wasn't mentally prepared. This was like back in, I think 2013 or something, 2010. I wasn't mentally prepared to have two different textures in my hair, like on my head. I didn't realize how, you know, walking outside, the ends would be flat and straight, and then the top area would be just completely puffy because it won't flat iron or anything like that. It just wouldn't tame. So I wasn't prepared for that. So it got very frustrating very quickly. Like I didn't have a plan. I wasn't prepared. Now I know how to deal with it. And even back then, I didn't wear wigs. I only wore like sew-outs with leave-in, and then I couldn't do the leave-in because I couldn't flat iron my the new growth because it would just be puffy. So I was getting very frustrated. I think back then, if I wore wigs and if I wore lace fronts, I would have been more prepared for the transition and looking cute during the transition. But the only choice I had was wearing my hair out during the transition because I didn't wear wigs and I couldn't wear sew-ins. So I was it got very frustrating very quickly. So I ended up just perming it again. I just got frustrated. So this time the difference is I am prepared, I have a plan. I'm gonna wear my wig so I can still look cute. Even after I transition or go on this healthy hair journey, I'm still gonna wear my wigs, but I'll be happier to know that my hair is healthy and, you know, back in its natural state, and it's thick and it's just healthy. I think that'll make me wear my hair more and just make me happier altogether that it's healthy. So I'm about to finish this last piece and I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. I cut my hair before, but I'll finish this last piece and then we'll get on to the cutting process. All right, so I'm actually gonna take my husband's peanut clippers. I think this just gives me a straighter result. So I don't have any type of plan or anything. As you can see, these bangs are super, super short. So I'm not even going to, I can't really do anything with these. But we'll just hop right into just cutting it and deciding how short to cut it. Kind of putting the short pieces away. I wish my bangs were long. Ugh, I remember when they were long, but not anymore. But they will be. That's the good part. So I'll take it from right in front of my ear. Probably like a bad outfit to wear because I can't see, but let's see. I'm always gonna cut it longer than I think. All right, guys. damaged hair gone. It may look good to y'all, but it's not good. It's not pretty. Bye. Not scared. Ooh, it's cute already. And I'll just go in and clean it up. Look, I got my lizard tails. Dang, this hair was so bad, y'all. It may not look bad, but it was bad. I know y'all saw it at the beginning. So I'm just gonna keep going and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, y'all, so I think I did a pretty good job with the cut. Clippers definitely makes it easier. I see a lot of girls cutting it with scissors, in which they're really sharp scissors, but I just like the clipper a little bit better. It's a little bit more precise, and for me, it's less mistakes. But I should have wore a different shirt. But as you can see, it's pretty even all the way around, but look at the thickness difference. And this, like I said, this isn't heat damage. This is chemical damage. I never really flat iron my hair because I wore wigs all the time. So I never really flat iron my hair. I don't have that much heat damage. It's all chemicals. Here's a little of the hair that I cut off. Look, okay. I cut my entire head, right? This is all that came off. That's it. That's it. So what does that tell you? It was super thin, super damaged, like horrible, dry. Like I'm not even missing this. Like I'm really not, because I'm over it. You ladies know when you're at a certain point with your hair, you're like done, over it, just bye. Bye-bye. So I think I did a really good job. I didn't want any layers. And it's just a cute blunt cut. So I'm gonna do some baby hair and kind of style it a little bit. I like the bone straight look. I don't like bangs, but I may give the front a little trim and I will be back. All right, guys, so this is nothing like serious. Like I don't look as cute as I could look. I don't have makeup on, but this is just the final cut, the beginning of my healthy hair journey. Of course, I'm not gonna be able to wear it like this forever because it will grow out. And I will have natural hair at the top and relaxed hair at the bottom, but this was just kind of to jumpstart me in the grow out transition process. So at least I'll be able to wear my hair out, or I can wear wigs if I want to. I'll probably throw on a wig tomorrow because I just don't wear my real hair out. But I mean, this is a start, you guys. Like I said, it's nothing like extravagant. My bangs are short, so I can't really wear it in the middle part, which sucks because I love middle parts. I don't like side parts, but I didn't really flat iron it that smooth and straight. It's really puffy, but that's a good sign because that means my hair is growing, and I just had my last relaxer in May, so it's been 2 months. So that means I already have 2 months of growth up there. That's why it's puffy. So I'm not complaining. This is just something I can wear outside if I want, but Florida humidity is probably gonna poof it up real quick, and I'll be going back to my wigs. So thanks for tuning in, you guys, to the start of the journey with me, and hopefully these will be my most viewed videos. It's like my real hair journey, healthy hair journey. But yeah, that's it. Let me know how I did with the cut. I'm just starting out, so don't come for me. I'm not a professional or anything like that. But yeah, this is the beginning. This is where we're starting, and Definitely subscribe if you want to keep up with my journey, and I hope you decide to go on your own. Relaxed hair, natural hair is all beautiful. I've been both, well, I've been one-sided, so I'm gonna test the other side, test the waters to see how it is, and I'm just wanting healthy long hair. That's it. It's just a healthy hair journey. Whatever you decide to do with your hair is your business. I love both communities, and it's your hair. You can do whatever you want with it. So definitely subscribe so you can follow along my journey. All right, thanks for watching. Bye. All right, guys, so I went in and I fixed it, and I did add 2 clip-ins in the front, as you guys saw, just for fullness, because I really have some short bangs, but this is cute. Of course, you know I'm gonna be slipping on my wig really, really fast, especially when my hair starts growing out. I'm really gonna miss this look, but hopefully I'll be able to kind of train my hair and kind of flat iron my hair once it grows out, even in its transitioning state, and get a smooth result like this. I know it won't last long because of the 2 textures, but hopefully I'll be able to at least temporarily get a smooth result while I'm kind of transitioning, so I could at least wear my hair like this out for a day or 2 and then slap a wig back on it, because that's what's going to happen. So I don't have to go through that full transitioning period. I'll be wearing a lot of weaves and wigs and stuff like that. So thanks so much for sticking around and watching, and hope you guys stick around for the rest of my journey. All right, bye you guys.